AI security is evolving fast. Are you keeping up? The 2025 OWASP Top 10 for LLM Applications just dropped, revealing critical new risks that could compromise your software. If your AI system handles sensitive data, then you need to know what's changed. Introducing our latest training on the 2025 OWASP Top 10 for LLM Applications, a must-have guide to securing AI-powered software against emerging threats. Here's a list of what's new in 2025. One of the biggest emerging risks is unbound consumption. LLMs processing data without limits can lead to unexpected costs and even denial of service attacks if left unchecked. Then there's system prompt leakage. If you assume your prompts are private, think again. Attackers are now finding ways to extract hidden instructions, bypassing security layers, and exposing sensitive logic. We're also seeing vulnerabilities in vector and embedding weaknesses. AI-powered search and retrieval can be manipulated, spreading misinformation or skewing results in unintended ways. And finally, excessive agency is becoming a major concern. LLMs are now capable of executing actions autonomously, sometimes without proper safeguards in place. That kind of unchecked decision-making introduces serious security risks. This training is packed with real-world attack scenarios, step-by-step mitigation strategies, and hands-on labs, plus embedded expert videos to help you stay ahead of these threats. AI security isn't optional, it's essential. Make sure your team is equipped to handle the latest threats. Visit securityjourney.com to explore the full OWASP 2025 update and learn how to secure the next generation of AI-driven applications.